Here we are on March 18th, 2015. Yesterday, this was just a concrete slab. Today, they have done the first floor framing. Pretty impressive. You can see the wood pile from the previous video is still pretty sufficient. We've got over here the sunroom. I'll show you the perimeter of the house. We see the sunroom for the first time. All the windows that we alluded to before, right here, all the way around. Second patio, first patio. We'll come out here real quick just to get an idea of what she's starting to look like. That's what she starts to look like there. You can start to see the bay windows there. Coming back around one more time. We're going to go inside now. We're going to see the queen bee here. We got queen bee day one of framing. We got Aunt Tony here and our neighbor Matt.
I want to say my friends did the
pop
Taylor
through you
Morris.
guys. This is the garage. You'll notice over here in the corners we got some wasted space. This steps down a little bit for the second roof line there. Coming through here, we're in the laundry room. There's going to be the window. This is going to be the first arch. This right here is the kitchen. A little hard to see right now, but the kitchen. Over here, here's the bay windows coming together. Come over here, here's the sunroom. Come through. Nice and big. Here's the patio entrance. Seems like a little bit bigger gap down there than up here, but maybe not. Comes through. Here's the windows, and Greg will be asking about this. 2x6s coming through. You'll notice here, Greg, these are 2x12s. Let's see here, 2x12 solid going all the way across. There we go. 2x12s. Bedroom. Okay, coming back in. It's going to be a beam. This is going to be the center section there. Come through. This is the fireplace with the backing. The niche. Right there. Really hard. It's really tight in here to see all this now, but they've already got the stairs done. I've got the stairs done already. Over here, this is the formal living room. Half bath. Bay 1 garage. My 3 little windows. Looking good. Look in here. Big door. Alright, big door coming in. Another big door. More windows in here, rear entry. Start of the bathroom. They still have a lot more work to do. Here's the bathroom. Here's the extra closet space. Massive. That's pretty much it.